don't want to.
Yeah,
like,
of course. I don't think anyone really wants to as well. If they understand and start thinking about it. Yeah.
And I would say it's extremely easy these days. He needs more pushing. But I mean, it's in his heart, but he needs more.
I think it's in everyone's hearts.
Hey, how do you feel about humans exploiting animals?
Terrible.
Terrible.
Yeah, I feel like I'm just ignoring it, you know? Not really thinking about it.
Yeah, because it's easy to ignore, and because in the society it's normal to do.
And you never see this part of it, right? You only go to the supermarket.
Yeah. You only see the happy cow on the coverage of the package.
Yeah.
But would you say, in general, that animals should be respected?
Of course.
Yeah.
I think so.
So
what gives us the right, you know?
Yeah. So can you truly respect them if you still pay for this?
No.
That's not possible, right?
Not at all. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not at all.
So do you know the definition of veganism actually?
Not really.
So veganism is the ethical principle that humans should live without exploiting animals. Basically, that animals are not our property, and we do not have the right to use them for our selfish reasons. Yeah.
But you also see it as milk. For milk, vegan is no milk, right?
This is translated how they are exploited for milk. This is a milk giving.
This is for beef, right?
No. This is a milk-giving cow. A mother, her babies were taken away from her her whole life because they wanted to take her milk. What do you think happens to a milk cow if she's not useful anymore for them?
Steak.
Yeah, they murder her.
Right? Yeah.
So basically, it's tied together.
Oh, okay, I understand.
And the central thing of this is, like, if it's for milk, if it's for meat, if it's for eggs, if it's for entertainment reasons, like circuses and zoos, or if it's for clothing, like leather and fur. In all these cases, humans say, you are my property and I'm using you as I like.
So I assume you are a vegan, right?
Yeah, I love vegan.
You are against all like leather, anything animal related?
Yes.
Okay.
Like, you have for everything you have options, other options.
Yeah.
You don't need to exploit an animal. It's not necessary for our survival.
Yeah.
So why should you still do it?
That's true.
It doesn't make sense.
Do you think it's very difficult to live a vegan life? When it comes to, for example, the products you buy, you have to be very conscious about what you're buying.
Yeah.
Everything, right?
Yeah, but let's be honest. If you really have a will to do it, you will find a way.
Yeah.
And I would say it's extremely easy these days. Like if you want to figure out something these days, you just Google it. You use ChatGPT.
That's true.
Like within 2 seconds, you can have a whole meal plan in a week.
Yeah.
For a week.
Yeah.
So after all, it should be about the why to do it. And the first big reason is you would no longer be the reason that animals are exploited. And the second big reason is that you would no longer be a hypocrite in this, right?
True. Yeah, I mean, I admit it, you know, I am a hypocrite when it comes to this. But
I
don't want to,
Yeah, you don't want to.
Yeah,
like,
of course. I don't think anyone really wants to as well, if they understand and start thinking about it.
So,
it's just that, society is built a system around it that has made it so easy and accessible.
Yeah.
Turning it back is, of course, a challenge, right?
Yeah, but it is easy and accessible now to live vegan.
Yeah,
and let's be honest, most of the vegan recipes that I cook, like I search for the non-vegan recipes, I see a YouTube video which is non-vegan, and I just switch around some ingredients. Bam, you have the vegan one. And like paying a little bit more attention to, for example, fur and leather, if it's included in your clothing, or down, it's not that hard. You just find your stuff online anyways, or ask in the shop where you want to buy it.
Yeah, that's true.
So, considering all that, when would the animal want you to act, to live vegan?
No, right?
So how many animals from now on have to be exploited for you?
Yeah.
0 or more?
Well, I would hope
Less for sure. 0. I don't like to make commitments that are not easy to keep, right?
They are easy to keep if you really want to.
I think anything is easy to keep if you really want to do it.
Yeah. And just let's be honest, like all the exploitation, the harm, the violence that you did to these animals, is it really too much to ask to just stop now?
That's true.
And that made me vegan then too, because
how long have you been vegan, by the way?
Almost 8 years.
And what made you change?
Yeah,
like was there a moment for you that you realized, or it was just kind of
like the big hypocrite part, like realizing when I was vegetarian I don't really help the animals because they are still murdered for milk and exploited for milk too. And also just realizing how I was tricked my whole life, thinking that a cow just gives milk because the human can just take it. But a cow doesn't give milk for the human.
Yeah.
They give milk for their babies. The human just kills the babies and takes it away from them.
Yeah.
And when I realized that I was tricked my whole life, I was like, no, I'm not gonna pay these evil people anymore.
Yeah.
Videos are terrible.
So,
it's hard to watch, right?
I know.
Really
so
hard to watch. Yeah.
vegan now.
Yeah.
You can do it.
I feel like I can. Yeah. I feel like I can.
You can do it.
I will
Strong.
make some efforts. Yeah.
Yeah.
Make some changes.
Yeah. You too.
Maybe a bit longer journey.
Yeah.
What you can. At least you know you can. Right?
Always just consider, if you were in the victim's position, what would you want your victimizer to say to you? Maybe I consider, or sorry what I did, I leave you alone now. And the final question, would you agree that it is that we vegans should actively defend animals, like I'm doing?
What do you mean, like with this right now?
Yeah, for example.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, because like in a society, like you say, it's normalized how we are now. It will be hard to change it for all of us, but it is absolutely necessary that we are not silent about it.
I think this is very, very important.
Yeah. So where are you from?
We're from Malaysia.
Malaysia?
We live in Switzerland.
Yeah. So I have a card. We actually have a chapter in Malaysia.
Okay.
In Malaysia.
This is from our organization where we are. We try to confront people everywhere in the world with the truth about animal exploitation.
We've seen the similar one in Bern before, right?
I don't know if it
Where?
was the same in
Bern.
In Switzerland, Bern.
Ah,
I don't know if it's the same organization.
Yeah, it's just, there are many
like that.
similar organizations
They
like
had a
this.
box and then the TV
Yeah.
was inside.
No, I think it is very important to confront people about this.
Yeah.
To like talk about it.
Do you want to raise your voice now and have 5 minutes of time? I can give you a mask and you stand here and show people the truth.
Show people the truth. In what way?
Yeah, you just switch her out.
Oh, no, it's okay.
No?
But I think.
we are family now.
But it's important. I'm happy.
Not today.
With
Yeah,
you,
but it is. What's your name? Oliver.
Oliver,
Okay.
nice to meet you, Oliver. And I would like to start making some changes in
Yeah,
life. It's always
and
kind of been in me,
make your family vegan too.
Yeah, definitely. I think a start. It would be a good start.
Yeah.
To at least
Push
start
them.
changing
He
some things,
needs more pushing. But I mean, it's in his heart. But he needs more.
I think it's in everyone's heart. Like, how can someone be okay with
Yeah,
this?
but after all, not our words define what is happening. Our actions.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Thank you, Oliver.